Coordinate systems. The shape of the Earth could traditionally represent as a globe. However, it is impractical in many instances. Therefore, instead of globe, cartographers have developed a set of techniques called map projections to show with reasonable accuracy the spherical Earth in two dimensions. Each map projection has advantages and disadvantages. The best projection for a map depends on the scale of the map and on the purpose for which will be used. For example, a projection may have acceptable distortion if used to map entire African continent, but may be an excellent choice for a large-scale map of the specific country in the African region. The properties of a map projection may also influence some of the design features of the map. Some projections are good for small areas. Some are good for mapping areas with a large east-west extent, and some are better for mapping areas with a large north-south extent. Different methods of map projection. Different ways of projecting can be produced by surrounding the globe in three methods. They are a cylindrical fashion, also known as cylindrical projection, a cone fashion, conical projection, a flat surface, plane projection. Accuracy of map projections. Map projections are never absolutely accurate representations of the spherical Earth. As a result of map projection process, every map shows distortions in distance and area. A map projection may combine several of these characteristics or may be compromised that distorts all over the properties of the area and distance within some acceptable limit. Map projections try to portray the surface of the Earth or a portion of the Earth on a flat piece of paper or computer screen. In other words, map projections try to transform the Earth from its spherical shape to plane shape. The map projection is executed with the help of Coordinate Reference System, which is called CRS. In general, CRS can be divided into two categories as follows: Projected Coordinate Reference System, Geographic Coordinate Reference System. In choice of using the type of map projection, the choice of using the type of map projection and coordinate reference system to use depends on the regional extent of the area that want to work, the analysis need to perform, and the availability of the data. Projected Coordinate Reference System. Coordinate systems that are localized to minimize visual distortion in a particular region. The universal transverse Mercator transverse Mercator system is a commonly used projected coordinate reference system. Geographic Coordinate Reference Systems. This system uses degrees of latitudes and longitudes as well as height value to describe a location on Earth's surface. The most popular geographic coordinate reference system is WGS 84.